Manushi Chhillar Real History. Manushi Chhillar, born May 14, 1997, is an Indian model and beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss World 2017. She was previously crowned Femina Miss India 2017 on June 25, 2017. Chhillar is the sixth Indian woman to win Miss World, and the first since Priyanka Chopra won Miss World 2000. She was born on May 14, 1997 in Sonipat, Haryana, India. Now her age is 20 years old. Residence: Sonipat, Delhi. Education: St. Thomas School, Bhagat Phul Singh Medical College. Occupation: beauty pageant title holder model. Height: 1.75 meter 5 feet 9 inch. Title: Femina Miss India 2017, Miss World 2017. Beauty pageant title holder. Hair color brown. Eye color brown. Major competitions: Femina Miss India 2017 winner, Miss World 2017 winner. Life and career. Early and personal life. Chhillar was born to Jat family in Haryana. Her father, Dr. Maitrebasu Chhillar, is a scientist at the Defense Research and Development Organization, while her mother, Dr. Neelam Chhillar, is an associate professor and department head of neurochemistry at the Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences. Chhillar studied at St. Thomas School in New Delhi and is pursuing a medical degree at the Bhagat Phul Singh Government Medical College for Women in Sonipat. She is a trained Kuchipudi dancer and has trained under legendary dancers Raja and Radha Reddy and Kaushalya Reddy. Chhillar has also attended the National School of Drama, Pageantry. On June 25, 2017, Chhillar took part in the Femina Miss India 2017 competition, representing the state of Haryana. During the competition, Chhillar was crowned Miss Photogenic and went on to win the competition as well, earning the right to represent India at the Miss World 2017 competition. At Miss World 2017, Chhillar became a semi-finalist in the top model, People's Choice, and multimedia competitions, while she was a co-winner of the Beauty with a Purpose competition. Chhillar's Beauty with a Purpose project was Project Shakti. The campaign's goal is to spread awareness about menstrual hygiene. She visited about 20 villages for the project and treated over 5,000 women. On November 18, 2017, Chhillar was crowned Miss World 2017 by outgoing title holder Stephanie Del Valle. She became the sixth Indian woman to win the crown, and the first since Priyanka Chopra won Miss World 2000.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो नीचे सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन दबाएं। बटन दबाने के बाद आप इसके साथ में जो बेल आइकन है उस पर भी क्लिक कर दीजिए, ताकि आपको हमारे तमाम नए आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें।